A few months ago, to upscale any of your low-resolution, low-quality images, you had to go through a very complicated editing process along with color correction and Photoshop photography knowledge, but no more. Now you can upscale any of your low-quality, low-resolution images with just one click. No technical knowledge is required. Even a 5-year-old child can do this very easily using this tool. To use this tool, you have to open Google Chrome and search imageupscaler.com. Open this first website, and you will see an interface like this. Click on Upscale Image Now, and click on the Add File. It will open the gallery of your computer. Here you have to select your image. Select the image and click on Open. The file is being processed. Now we are going down a little bit. There are some other tools like Photo to Sketch. From here you can sketch your photos like this. There is an enhanced image, which we are using right now, and then there is an unblurred image, which you can use to clear your blurred image like this. So our image has been scaled up, which we can see like this. We click on the download image and download it. Now you can see the old image and you can also see the upscaled image. Here is the final result that we got to see something like this. So that's all for now. Hope you will like this video. If you like it, please like the video. If it's your first time on my channel, so subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in another video. Bye bye.